nation of gods on earth, and a whole bunch of different groups. They put the woman on a second degree or sub level. They never put them equal to or on a higher degree. See how the woman actually represents both male and female. Alright, we always say Mother Earth, Mother Nature, and Mother Universe, but nobody pays attention. Why don't we say Father Earth, Father Nature, Father Universe? There's a reason for that. We say Mother Earth, but yet the Earth still has masculine and feminine qualities. So by those simple observations that our ancestors observed long time ago, shows us that within the feminine comes a male and female. Simple questions you ask yourself is, how can the fruit be better than the tree? How could a son be better than the mother that son came from? How could the creator be less than what it has formed or created or manifested, we should say? All these prophets came to us, right? All these great men came to us, and these were men of high spirituality, consciousness, and being. The only way they could come into this physical existence, physically or symbolic, is that they had to come from something that could contain it, to contain this greatness, that was equal to or had that higher level of containing and producing this great one. Okay, so to backtrack, what is the birthmark of the human family? The birthmark of the human family is the belly button. Birthmark. What else on your body shows you the mark of you having a birth, coming into this physical world? It's the belly button. Every single person, male and female, has a belly button. That's supposed to show you the most simplest clue that we all come from a mother. And this is ancient. This is nothing new. Look at this fez that some of these Shriners and Masons and Eastern Star wear. And they might not even understand the full high science of the fez. This is the belly button. This is the umbilical cord. This is the womb of the woman that we come from. That's the most simplest expression and clue to understand who you are. Alright, to backtrack so you could compare, because these are questions that we should have been asking ourselves, but some of us fell asleep through dogma and superstition and foolish egotistical teaching. The best way to understand it is tracing back the two big major umbrellas that how people exist and see themselves in society. It's called patriarchal and matriarchal society and rulership. Patriarchal society deals with that men are the head of society, government, family, and even God is represented as being a male. Now, historians have said that patriarchal rulership and perspective only go back about 5,500 years ago. That means that the most ancient one and natural is actually matriarchal. And matriarchal deals with that the women are the head of the family, society, government, and even the creator would seem to be expressed or contained in a feminine expression. Right? We see in family that the woman is really the lawgiver. The male actually enforces it. Those simple behavior should show you the origin of existence and of humanity. In government, the most expression of government is seen by the woman. In the Western or the Westernized, if you look it up, actually means European society, you see that they have a woman representing justice. You know, the leaning scale and the blindfolded woman. Actually, that woman of justice actually comes from Ma'at. Ma'at represented justice and balance. There's a reason why the woman represents justice and balance. those are simple clues that you could trace to see, you know, where you come from. Okay, now in the next video we're now going to go into the science of the male and female, and we want to see if we could, you know, put this thing together and actually get our people to start thinking.